Shane and Corinne have employed Imagine Kit Homes to provide the kit and structure for the home, but the house will still need a builder and Shane to manage the build.
Hey Jack.
Hi Corinne.
Thanks for coming to visit us today. We just want to go through the plans and just kind of fine tune those last little bits and pieces.
Yeah, there's a bit, we're coming to crunch time now, so there's a bit we want to finesse before we send it out for approval.
Yeah.
Well, I think we've come up with the final plan. It's looking pretty good. So take a look.
Yeah.
It's big.
She's a beauty.
Big.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Now I just can't wait to build it, although I am slightly terrified because it is a monster house.
It's huge.
It's huge, but it is going to be amazing. So yes, I just want to crack on now. I want to get in.
Shane and Corinne will build a double-storey coastal Hampton-style home on a spacious waterfront north-facing block. With 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, that's designed for all year-round entertaining and outdoor living, making the most of the large waterfront terrace.
We chose to work with Imagine Kit Homes because we felt that with their help we could build an extraordinary house as owner builders with access to a great design team while providing helpful building advice and access to suppliers. Working with Imagine Kit Homes was a great experience because they understood what we were trying to achieve and helped furnish us with the right knowledge and support for our home, but also took on the role of estimating, quoting and procurement of a large portion of our project, which enabled us to focus on building and designing our home. We love our completed home because we're able to create a finished product that was even better than we first imagined, and with the help of Imagine Kit Homes, we're able to navigate our way through the daunting process of building to create a wonderful home for our family. We enjoyed the process that much that we've decided to do another Imagine Homes project in the area. We found the processes they had helped us develop to be repeatable, and we look forward to doing more construction with the help of Imagine Homes.